हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज 17 मार्च का जो जेपीएससी का पेपर हुआ, इसका आंसर की हम लोग देखते हैं। पेपर में आया हुआ साइंस का क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डू वी कॉल द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू कंसेक्यूटिव कंप्रेशंस ऑफ ए साउंड वेव। इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज वेवलेंथ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द कॉज ऑफ इको। करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ साउंड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लाइट ईयर इज द यूनिट ऑफ। करेक्ट आंसर distance, option A. Next question, which of the following cannot travel in vacuum. Correct answer will be option C, that is sound. Next question, the process of superposition of any information on radio waves is named as. Correct answer will be modulation, that is option B. Next question, angora wool is extracted from which of the following animals. Correct answer will be option C, that is rabbit. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट ट्रू अबाउट रैम। तो इसका ऑप्शन जो है ऑप्शन ए, रैम इज ए टेम्पोररी स्टोरेज, ये करेक्ट है। रैम इज ए वॉलेटाइल मेमोरी, ये भी करेक्ट है। इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टोर्ड इन रैम इज गॉन विद द कंप्यूटर इज टर्न ऑफ, ये भी करेक्ट है। तो इसका जो इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन है दैट इज ऑप्शन बी। सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, यूजिंग वेबसाइट टू पोर आउट वंस ग्रीवियंसेस इज कॉल्ड। इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज साइबर वेंटिंग। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सीपीयू परफॉर्म्स कैलकुलेशन एंड मेक्स डिसीजंस। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन डी, एएलयू, दैट इज अर्थमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट। आईसीएआर डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन 16th of June, दैट इज ऑप्शन बी। 16th of July दिया हुआ है ऑप्शन बी में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, ग्लोबल जीन बैंक ऑफ राइस इज सिचुएटेड एट। करेक्ट आंसर विल बी फिलीपींस, ऑप्शन ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सुगर कैन इज ए लॉन्ग डे प्लांट, ऑप्शन बी विल बी करेक्ट। हाउ मेनी क्रोमोसोम्स आर फाउंड इन द एंडोस्पर्म ऑफ ए मैज। करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज 20. which of the following genomic condition is found in commercial edible wheat. Correct answer will be option D, that is A, B, D genome. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नोबेल प्राइज़ विनर और उस फील्ड में किस फील्ड में किसको नोबेल प्राइज़ मिला हुआ है 2022 में, ये करेक्ट मैच करने का ऑप्शन दिया हुआ था। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा एनी एनर साहित्य, दैट मीन्स लिटरेचर, एनी एनर इन लिटरेचर। In which of the following cities was the Global Buddhist Summit held in 20th of April 2023? इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज दिल्ली। नेक्स्ट है, which of the following countries has awarded the highest civilian award, the Grand Order of the Chain of Yellow Star, to the President of India during his visit 2023? करेक्ट आंसर होगा सूरीनाम, ऑप्शन डी। Who is the author of the book द कोएलेशन ईयर्स। इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, जो कि प्रणब मुखर्जी। विद रेफरेंस टू नाटो दैट इज नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट। ऑप्शन स्टेटमेंट 1, इट हैज़ 42 मेंबर्स नेशन, ये स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है। सेकेंड ऑप्शन, इट्स हेडक्वार्टर इज लोकेटेड एट ब्रुसेल्स, ये करेक्ट है। दैट मीन्स इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, ओनली ऑप्शन 2। Next question, with reference to G20 group of 20, which of the following statements is or are correct? Statement 1 is, India took over the G20 presidency from Australia on 1st December 2022, ये स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है। सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट क्या है? सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट है, द फर्स्ट G20 समिट वॉज हेल्ड इन द वाशिंगटन इन 2008, ये स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है। दैट मीन्स ऑप्शन बी, ओनली 2। Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India talks about the UCC, Uniform Civil Code? Correct answer will be option B, that is article number 44. Article number 44 deals with the UCC, Uniform Civil Code. Next question, in 2023, which US state recently declared holiday in public school on the festival of Diwali? Correct answer will be New York. Match the following pairs correctly. Name of the Padma Shri award or area of awards. The correct answer will be Sri P. Kalyan Sumundram for social work. Which of the following state has the world's largest railway platform? World's largest railway platform has been inaugurated. Correct answer will be Karnataka. Who was the chief guest for the Republic Day in 2023? Correct answer will be option B, President of Egypt. Next question. The Indian government has launched a rescue operation in Sudan to evacuate its stranded citizen. The operation is known as. Correct answer will be option D, that is Operation Kaveri. Next question. Which architect has designed the new building of the Indian Parliament? Correct answer will be Bimal Patel, option C. Which of the following statement is correct or true about CDRI? Statement 1. India is the member of CDRI. ये correct. Next one. It is a UN agency. This one is wrong. Third statement. Its headquarters is located in Paris. Correct. It has launched during G20 Summit 2023. This one is also wrong. So our option will be only one and two. That is option B. Next question. Agricultural drought is defined as. Correct answer will be option B, that is the low soil moisture. Indian National Center for Ocean Information Service is located in which of the following cities? Correct answer will be option D, that is Hyderabad. Lakadwala Samiti 1993 is related to poverty elimination. Option B. Next question. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted by UN General Assembly does not include which of the following statement? Does not include. Option A, dignity, liberty, equality. ये include होगा. Right to life. This one also. Freedom of adequate standard of living. This one is also correct. Right to universal basic income. This one is wrong. So our answer will be option D. Which of the following is not considered a subsidiary box for agriculture in WTO, World Trade Organization? Correct answer will be option C, that is red box subsidiary. Next question. Which of the following statement is or are true for alluvial soil? Statement 1. Its sand content decrease from east to west. Correct. Next statement. They are in the form of bhangar and khadar. This one is also correct. Third option is the soil covers about 40% of the total area of the country. This one is also correct. The soil is rich in potash and poor in phosphorus. This one is wrong. So correct option will be option C, that is 1, 2 and 3, and 4 statement is wrong. Next question. PM Kusum scheme is related to agricultural solar pump system. That is option A. Question number 66. The labor force participation rate is defined as the. Correct answer will be option B, ratio of employed and willing to work to working age population. Option B will be correct answer. Next, World Social Security Report is released by which of the following? Options are World Bank, UN Women Commission, ILO, and UN Human Rights Commission. Correct answer will be option C, ILO. Next question is, which of the following statement is or are correct regarding Gini coefficient? Statement 1. It measures the level of income inequality in the society. This one is correct. Second statement, higher the Gini coefficient, lower the inequality. This one is wrong. Third statement, it can be derived using the Lorentz curve. This one is correct. That means our statement 1 and 3 is correct. So option B will be the correct answer. Where is the Dibru-Sikhoi Biosphere Reserve located? Correct answer will be option B, that is Assam. Next question. Earth Overshoot Day is related to option A, environmental degradation. At which of the following Indus Valley site was a terracotta replica related to the exploitation of blocks discovered? Correct answer will be option D, Banawali. Next question. In which of the districts of Jharkhand is the Neolithic archaeological site Burudi located? Its correct answer will be option D, none of the above. Prabhavati Gupta was the ruler of option A, that is Gupta dynasty. The Sangam text Tolkappiyam work on? Correct answer will be grammar, that is option B. Next, who was responsible for the smooth functioning of the Mughal Mansabdari system? Correct answer will be option C, that is Mir Bakshi. During the Mughal period, the coin minted during the previous region were called muhar. That is option C. The capital of Vijayanagar Empire was situated on the bank of which river? The correct answer will be Tungabhadra. That is option A. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Lal Mahal